Alright, so the Savetta Bolide remaster, it looked amazing. The car looked so cool and it had so much depth that wasn't there. Or maybe even the Brucko Bastion. That was a cool car. It was very unique because we needed a modern day muscle car in the game. Which, they're probably my two favorite cars in the game, which is crazy because there's just so many cars in the game that it's hard to pick just one. But by far, 100%, the new car that they just added is better than all of the cars combined.
Yo, bitch, I got some buzzes clawing on my fucking stomach. I'm from the shadows, left the gallows, made the summit. Hear the trumpets rolling in like it's 300. Left the battlefield, ravaged, detecting, and we set the bodies up. Blood shining off the armor that I'm about to rip. Got no time to waste, so don't worry, I'll make it quick. The death will be glorious, I'm emerging victorious. Name is reigning notorious, but this isn't where the story is. There's no turning back now, there's fire in the background. The spires overlook a bloody night, it's in the past now. But it's time to quit, I've been holding this brewing off a leaf low in my shoulder shrug. I've had enough, I guess the time is up. Okay, my blade is itching, ready up now, I smell the fear. This is where it is, so look around, there's no one for you here. It's just you and me, so motherfucker, are you feeling lucky? What's it gonna be? Tell me what's it gonna be? Got my blood stained, bloody face, say my fucking name. As my blood runs black, you can tell we're not the same. See the fire in the sky, in the embrace of the storm. Cause I live by the sword, and I'll die by the
What are we doing today? I'm running out of ideas. What is that? Beamngs, you didn't tell me about this? What is that? What the fuck? Okay, I guess I'll see what it is and see what stuff it is. Okay, so that appears to be a modern supercar. Something I've always wanted in this game. So that's nice. I did not know about this update. Literally at all. Literally at all. I didn't even know it was a thing. So, man. Anyway. Sure, let's go into the showroom. I just want to see it. Let me see it. I don't know what asphalt honeycomb. I don't know, dude. Let me do the thing. Yeah, I had to get a different hat. I lost my old hat in the river or in a lake. Rest in peace, teal blue LP8 hat. Anyway, let's see the freaking car. Okay, let's scroll down. Oh, there's a Lamborghini. Whatever. Let's scroll down and see. That's a car. That is a car. We're talking about a car here. That's a car. The joke's not funny anymore. Savetta Scintilla. Very Italian name. Okay. Oh my goodness. You made a modern supercar. And you made an off-road version. We all know the Beam devs are the best. Oh, for Christ's sake. Freaking camera is dying. So if it dies, no more face cam. So yeah, it's a cool car, I guess. I don't know. Sure, let's do that one. I don't know. They're so nice. How am I supposed to just choose one? Sven. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm not even joking. Look at that. Oh wait, what's that? No way! It has opening. Okay, no, we're not going there. Anyway, it has opening doors. Have you ever seen a car in Beamngs that has opening doors? Probably not. My damn camera died, for frick's sake. Oh no, what is the idiot face? Oh my god. that's funny. Okay. Okay, well. Okay, well, no more face cam for the rest of this video. Sorry about that. Sorry to ruin your freaking day. Let me just go drive the damn car because it's making me mad. Never thought I'd have to come down to this. Not having a face cam. I don't want to go into the sketch here. If you know who Sketch is, then you understand that joke. If you don't watch Sketch, what are you doing with your life? Go watch Sketch right now!
I will kill you.
Anyway, yeah. Bought an $800 camera to use as a webcam, and then it died, so I can't actually use it as a webcam. Anyway, hey, at least you don't have to stare at my ugly face the whole video, so yeah, that's nice. Anyway, car is a good car. Look at that car. Man, that's a good car. Look at that car. Such a good car. Man, look at that car. Look at that license plate. Oh God. What in the fuck? What? Okay, let's play the game. Oh my God, it has some kick, man. Man, stop blocking the traffic, dude. Get out of here, man. What? Oh my God, next stop. Okay, whatever. Let's go! Whee! Wow! Oh my God, it's so fast. It's so fast! Ah! Why is it so fast? Legitimately, why is it so fast? Legit, why is it so fast? The thing goes 300 kilometers an hour! This is stock. This is not a mod, guys. This is literally freaking they added this thing crazy, man. No, the handling on that thing. Oh no, spaghettios. That's not good. That's not good. That makes me sad. That makes me sad. Of course, the Popo police are after me. Yeah, get out of here. I'll beat them in a race any day of the week in this thing, man. Oh God. Never mind. What happened? Anyway, loser. I'm gonna beat the cops, guys. Watch this. Yoinskies. Ah! Yoink, buddy. Oh. Okay, well, now I'm actually breaking the law, but you made me break the law. You broke my mirror, bud. Ah! Nice. How fast can it go? 340 into the back of a freaking truck. Oof. Sorry, truck. Hold on, let's go check up on that truck real quick. That truck is not doing so hot. Sorry, man. Anyway, our car is also not doing so hot. I'm gonna kill these police, Dan. Huh? What do you think of me now, cops? Huh? You wanna go? Wait up. Hold up. Wait a minute. No, that's not how it's supposed to work. No. No. Huh, cops? What do you think about me now? Huh? Gonna come for you? Oh, no. Oh, God. Okay, that's not good. We're just gonna... Scoop. Oh, haha. Loser cops, you can't reset your car. Haha. Get killed. Oh. Where did he go? Oh, he's over there. Well, my car is still functioning perfectly fine. Never mind. It's not. We can still kill police with it though. Let's go. Oh. Bruh. Okay, enough of the regular boy. Let's see the off-road boy. So let's go to the dirt track. Sure, I don't care, man. Sure. Okay, let's try out. Let's go. Oh God. Oh man, this thing's insane at drifting. Okay, well, first impressions, feels very light, handles very well, especially when you drift. This thing is a little drift beast. Like, look at them angles, and I pulled it. Oh my God. Man, this thing's epic. Oh, that's not good. Ooh, that's not good. Okay, let's just reset. I don't need any steering assistance. Thank you very much. Hey! Oh god. Oh, that's also not good. Beautiful is boring. That's good. Go! Go! Ah! Oh, shoot. Oof. Oof. As you can tell, I think it actually is very low. Okay. If you have Beamngs and you want a good off-road car without any mods, this thing is it. Now since this is going to be a short video, back in my last video where I looked at the Bruckle Bastion, I forgot to test the off-road Bastion. I sinned. I'm very sorry. I clickbaited. So we're going to try that one out too. Oh god. Oh, okay. Okay, let's try the Bastion out then. Okay, everybody, the moment you have probably not been waiting for because nobody cares about my content. Anyway, let's try this thing out. Let's go. Okay, so it feels heavier. I mean, I'm not really surprised. The last thing they did was a freaking modern supercar. This is a modern muscle car. Happy that they're actually adding modern cars now and not some slice of cheese from 1998 or something. Like, bruh, thank you for adding modern cars. It is my dream in this game to have had a modern supercar, like, that's not a mod, because everybody knows how scuffed mods are. Okay, this thing is good. I'd say if you want something that doesn't... Why is there traffic on the damn dirt track? What are you doing, man? You're driving a pickup truck. It's not even, like, stand still for off-road or anything. So, like, get off the track, bucko. Anyway, yeah, if you want something that probably doesn't roll as much, then probably use this thing. I'd say the Scintilla is probably better for drifting. They're both pretty good for drifting, but I'd say the Civetta is better for drifting. I mean, yeah, this thing's still pretty good for drifting too, but, you know. So is the Civetta. Sorry for the low content because I have no energy. Anyway, I need to shut up and do an outro. God, I'm so unprofessional. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. Latte!